So let's say what you want to do is you want to go ahead and export out your video for YouTube. In that case, what you can do is simply choose S.264 format, which is the standard for YouTube videos. So now, in order to go ahead and export it out as YouTube ready, you can actually go around over here and expand this, and you can go ahead and scroll down and you can see the YouTube standard sizes right here. So you can choose, let's say for example, use a YouTube 480p right here, which is actually like a standard resolution file. But if you want a high quality footage, you can go for 1080p right here, or to 160p, which is a 4K Ultra SD. The source footage, however, should actually have this quality for you to be able to see the difference, and this is simply it. You can go around over here and select this out. Apart from that, if I were to click on the preset name right here, you can actually go ahead onto the video and then change around the quality if you want as well. But over here, you don't really need to do anything because this is already the set quality for YouTube. So once you go ahead and choose this, you can simply go ahead and press OK and then hit the play button, and then it'll be exported in YouTube standard format just like that. So that is how you can go ahead and export out for YouTube from Adobe Media Encoder.